Hey friends, make sure you subscribe to our channel, give us a big thumbs up if you love the videos, and click on the notifications so you don't miss anything.
Good job.
I have a crown.
Alright, here.
I have wings.
Look at, now we're gonna do this. What kind of bird is the red one?
Cardinal.
Yeah, cardinal. We saw some cardinals in our yard, huh?
Yeah, we saw one.
Yeah.
Actually, I saw a blue jay.
You saw, yeah, this morning you saw blue jay, or yesterday. There's a lot of those little birds too, the chickadees, the little yellow ones. I hope they all like the food we got for them. What do birds eat, really?
Pretty much blueberries, seeds,
Yeah.
and sticks with seeds. I'll do this game later.
1, 2, put 3 on one side, and then 3 on the other side. What's 3 plus 3?
3 plus 3.
How many?
Wait.
What? What's 3 plus 3?
What is it changing? Why is the blue changed to that?
Oh, because in the, see, it is filming this way. So it's getting this part, but you are seeing this part. See? Good job on your feathers. Put all your feathers on.
In the
We
pins.
found some feathers. Oh, we gotta glue your eye back on.
To make some real feathers. I'm gonna put them right here in here. Okay. Hi again.
Man, that thing is not staying on, is it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna make mine longer.
Hi. Hello.
And I'm gonna make this fluffy.
Give me the glue.
Oh, sorry. Here you go. Hello.
My cardinal not going well. My cardinal takes his eyeballs off. Takes his own eyeballs off.
What? Cardinal, say stop that.
Stop that, Cardinal.
Leave your eyeballs on. That's not smart.
That's not really smart. You are funny, birdie. You crazy.
I need something to stand on. All right, I gotta step.
I'm gonna stand on it for a little bit.
Yeah.
Gotta do it right. I won't do it wrong.
Yeah.
You do it if you do it. If you lie on a tube.
From this chair to the top of the ceiling up here, where these tacks are, and then we can put our birds on it and see who flies faster. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Because when you upload it, it's gonna like be the wrong size if you do it that way. Well, careful with those scissors, don't jump.
Alright, here we go.
Alright, ready? Stand under yours. Ready? Dad's gonna make it so they fly. Set! Ready? Go! So we built our racetrack, but the birds are stuck at the top. So we're gonna try to add some weight. And we might add something to make them a little slipperier on the top. Ooh, maybe some tinfoil. Hey Natalie, I got a great idea. It's not gonna be very fair if you have a nice heavy piece on your bird and I don't have one on mine. Right? Are you laughing?
Yeah.
Cause you like there.
I'll fix
Yeah, it's good.
it.
Pretty awesome, huh?
I'm gonna get
Alright, now we need. She really wants to cut the string, but.
Because I love cutting. I'm the cutting fun.
Hi, Howie.
I just love to slide.
Ah, yuck. Ew, quit it. I love you too. It's
One
like a
that's
boy.
broken.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And I need to fix it. Look.
Alright, did you get me a jewel? Natalie?
Are you continuing to save cans?
Yeah. For Tin Can Day.
Sorry.
What are you doing? No, you've got more jewels. Look at your big toes. Whoa. That's so gross. Look how dirty your feet are. We need to sweep the floor, huh? Alright, here. What sound does your bird make? Mine says caw.
Mine says, ho, ho, ho.
Here's the bird.
And my crazy one. Look.
Careful, you're gonna break it.
Welcome to the Grand National Bird Race. What? Go.
1,
2,
3, 2.
1.
Oh man, yours is totally winning.
Go.
No. Go.
Ready, set, go.
So they need more. Wait, here, help them fly. Pull this up and down. There you go.
They're flying fast.
Whoa! It's
Okay.
like they're flying in a hurricane. Alright, stop. Let's bring them back up and we'll do it that way because that's cool because their wings flap then, right?
Yeah.
Here, come on. Now you gotta bump it. Keep doing it. Here. See if you can get it done. Here. I don't know. So the bird race, we gotta figure out a better way to do it. Ready? Go! You always win.
Yeah.
You're always the winner. All right, one more time. Come on, ready? Back to the top. Set, go!
Mine got in and
All right, last round.
Give me the string.
All right, and then tomorrow maybe we can figure it out.
Give me the string.
Ready?
Set, go.
Yeah, just throw it. Oh yeah, look it! Oh, I won!
No.
All right, try it
I
again.
won to
We
the
just gotta whip them down it. Ready? You did, yeah. You always win. Come on. Here, ready?
Don't be a sore loser, Natalie.
Ready?
Well, you're halfway. Get all the way up there. You're not even all the way up.
Watch. You just gotta throw it down it. Ready? Just launch it like a football. Like this. Ready? Watch.
Can't reach her from where she's at.
Come over here. Ready? Now you just gotta do this. Ready? Yeah.
A little harder than that.
Man, you won that time. Woohoo! All right, last time. Let's launch them as hard as we can. Okay.
Okay. Mine got there first.
Okay. All right. Ready? Set. Go! Good. All right. High five. Whoa. Over here. All right. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to the birds.
Happy birthday to the bird. It's the bird's birthday. Guess what? Then it's gonna be Elvis's birthday too this week. All right.
Who's Elvis?
Say bye to your friends real quick.
Who's Elvis?
Oh yeah, Dad didn't show you who Elvis is yet. Elvis Presley. And it's his birthday this week. And we're gonna celebrate and we're gonna sing Elvis all week.
Is it a she or a he?
The he.
Okay.
All right.
Is he gonna come to our house?
No, he's not alive anymore. But we can watch some Elvis tonight before bed real quick. And okay, say bye to your friends.